Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up a customer in QuickBooks Online. First, you'll want to navigate to the Sales menu on the left-hand side of your dashboard. From there, simply click on Customers. You'll then see a New Customer button. Click it to open the form. This is where you'll start entering all the vital information for your new client, ensuring a smooth setup process from the very beginning. Once the form is open, you'll begin by filling in the essential details. Make sure to include the customer's full name and their company name, if applicable. Don't forget their primary email address, as this is crucial for sending invoices and communications. Also, add their phone number and website for comprehensive contact information. Finally, accurately input their billing address to ensure all future invoices are sent to the correct location. Next, let's configure the payment and terms for this customer. You can select their preferred payment method, whether it's a credit card, bank transfer, or another option. It's also important to set the default payment terms, such as net 15 days or due on receipt, which will automatically apply to their invoices. If your business uses credit limits, you can assign one here, perhaps $5,000, to manage their purchasing power effectively. Finally, you have the option to add any additional notes or attachments that are relevant to this customer's account, which can be very helpful for future reference. You can also utilize custom fields to track specific information unique to your business operations. Before you finalize everything, take a moment to carefully review all the details you've entered to ensure accuracy. Once you're satisfied, simply click Save to complete the customer setup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.